even with a sharply lower corn market. What does that mean, Oliver?
Well, it's as with mentioned in the grain segment. This is a risk-off atmosphere, and that creates a sell first, ask questions later environment, and that feeds on itself. We often say volatility breeds volatility, and that's certainly what we're seeing here in today's session. I wouldn't be surprised to see that continue in the first half of the week, because on top of that pressure, now you're going to start to get risk departments stepping in and telling people that they need to manage their long exposure. And we look at long exposure, we're looking at the funds. Last week's Commitment of Traders report showed that funds have a net long position of about 90,000 futures and options. So we broke below the low end of that range last week, and you're seeing it accelerate with this headline risk here early this week. And again, with that volatility, I wouldn't be surprised to see that spark additional long liquidation from the funds. For that April live cattle contract, there's really not a whole lot of support until you get closer to that 120 level. At that point, we might start to see the dust settle a little bit, but I wouldn't try to be a hero and pick a bottom just yet this week.